Hi everyone, welcome to my channel today. It's Lynn here. So today I am carrying on with my mini series using shapes. So this week I have decided to use heart shapes. I thought it was very appropriate as today is Valentine's Day. So what better way than creating some cards using my heart shapes. The first card I have created, I haven't filmed that, but I will show you at the end when I go through my cards. I am only sort of scratching the surface using my heart shapes. There is absolutely loads and loads of different designs that you can create using heart shapes. So I have picked out a few today. So without further ado, let's get started. Okie dokie, so here I've cut my piece of white card down, I've popped some red satin ribbon down, I've rounded my corners the same as my red piece of card, and I'm just going to pop that down like so. So next I took my little hearts and I cut this one out from my polka dot paper. I've then made a little bow with my twine, and I've popped a little foam pad onto the back of the heart, where I then added another 3 lengths of twine and stuck them down onto my foam pad. And what I am going to do is just pop this down to the left hand side of my card. Then I've got myself another 3 little hearts, and I've popped a foam pad on each one. And what I am going to do is pop one at the bottom here, and then I've got this little one with the stripes going across the way, and I'm going to pop that one just about there like so. And then I've got this little plain pink one, which I am going to just pop down. So here I am just popping the word love to the right hand side of my card. I've cut it out using my alphabet die. However, instead of the O, I have cut the teeniest little heart from my heart dies, and I'm just going to pop that down there. So I've just got a little system going where I've got my little plastic tool that I use for fine detail, like small alphabet letters. So what I do is I put the teeniest, tiniest amount of glue onto my little plastic tool, and then I pop my letters on top of my glue stick, pop some glue on, and then all I need to do with the help of my little glue stick is just pop those down onto my card. So I've got my last one to do here, which is my letter E, and I'm just going to pop that down like so. So next I've taken a DL card and I've popped it landscape. I've popped a piece of my pink linen cardstock over the top and just left a little white border. I've got a number of hearts cut out here, and I'm going to pop some foam pads onto the back. I will speed my camera up and you can see how I arrange my little heart, and then I will pop back and show you my finished card. Okay, so just to share my finished cards with you. So this one, I created a number of different hearts that I scattered around my card. So what I did was I used different sizes of my die cut. I popped them onto my cards and I drew around them, and then I coloured those in using my gel pens, and then I popped a happy birthday sentiment on the front. And this is just to show you that you don't always have to die cut your shapes out. There are a number of other things that you could do with them. So that was my first card. My next card that I did, so this is the one you saw me making. So here I layered up some white and red papers. I rounded the corners on my papers. Then I took a piece of my satin ribbon and wrapped it around my white piece of paper. I then took some twine and made it into a little bow, and I've cut out 4 little hearts and popped them onto some foam pads. This one I attached some extra twine onto my foam pad and then stuck that on top of the ribbon, and then at the bottom here I just did different lengths of my twine and popped my various hearts. Then just here in the top right, I have cut from my alphabet dies, I cut out the word love, but I took my, I'll just grab it, my teeny weeny little heart, and instead of popping the O in, I've popped my little heart to make the word love. So that is my second card. And then the last card that you would see me create was this DL card, which I have turned into a landscape style. I cut out again a number of different sizes of hearts, that is some of them there, and then I've layered those up onto foam pads and just sort of staggered them at various heights across my card and used a number of different papers. I've got music papers, I've got florals, I've got gingham, a lovely red sort of satin effect paper. And yeah, that is my 3 cards. I haven't popped a sentiment on this one. When I decide who the recipient will be of this card, then I will pop my sentiment onto that. And I am just going to show you, I didn't make this one today, this was made a while ago. I made this for my hubby. I do have the video on my channel. If you would like to check it out, I will leave the link to this card. So all I did for this one was I cut out various size hearts, some of them flat onto my card and some I layered onto some foam pads. I had this little bear, and this love was off a topper sheet that I had. And what I did, I've taken my red metallic thread and I've just sort of tucked it in between his little paw here, so the thread runs down from the bear's paw up and around the back of his ear, and attach the threads to the heart shapes to create the balloons. And I think this one is really, really cute. So the bear has got all of the lovely heart-shaped balloons, and I think it is really, really cute. And I layer the card with some red and pink linen cardstock, and then around the edge I just edged this with my gold peel-offs. So yeah, that is just some ideas to use heart shapes in our crafting. I hope you have enjoyed my video today, and I hope I've given you some inspiration to create your cards and projects using heart shapes. If I have, would you please consider giving me a thumbs up and also leaving me a comment? I would really love to hear from you. And also, if you would consider subscribing to my channel, I would be ever so grateful for this. So thank you ever so much for joining me today. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting. Have a wonderful day. See you all soon. Take care. Bye bye for now.